If a terrible storm were to come, your house is likely insured against a catastrophic loss. The insurance company would give you the means to rebuild. But why don't we insure our retirement accounts against losses? The economy is currently shrinking. The stock market is losing value. If a catastrophic financial storm were to hit, would you be able to earn back everything that was lost? Fortunately, there's a simple solution available to protect retirement assets from market losses. Alliance America focuses on just that. We are redefining what retirement means. Alliance America delivers solutions. Give us a call today at 833-619-6844 or scan the QR code to discover more about how we can help you.